Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Zim desktop wiki package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via apt-repository method by running next command. Execute an apt update with the following command. Now install the application with the next command. Access Zim desktop wiki through the command line, or you can find it into your desktop by system search bar or by icon. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.